Do you know many people are having trouble with changing filament colors on their 3D printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Cura. Open your Cura software to prepare your print with the necessary settings. Step 2. Modify G-code. Go to Extensions, then Post-Processing, and select Modify G-code. Step 3. Add pause script. Add the script pause at height to specify when the print should pause. Step 4. Set pause height. Set the exact height or layer for your pause to switch the filament color. Step 5. Start printing. Save the G-code, transfer it to your 3D printer, and begin printing. Now, you should be able to change filament colors midway through your print. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Anycubic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.